Today we're making 3 5-minute healthy dessert recipes. We're making sorbet, frozen yogurt, and ice cream. So these treats are perfect for spring and summer. We're gonna start with the sorbet recipe. So we're making strawberry lemon sorbet. We need 2.5 cups of frozen strawberries and juice of 1 lemon. For extra sweetness, you can add a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, but this is optional. Then we blend until smooth. You can use either a blender to make this or a food processor. We're gonna blend in short bursts instead of continuously, and you might need to stop and scrape down the sides with a spoon a few times. If your blender struggles, let the berries sit for a few minutes so they soften slightly. The ready sorbet should look like this. This sorbet is so refreshing and delicious. Next, we're making coffee and ice cream. First, we need to make 1 shot of espresso. Then we need to let this cool down. Next, we add all the ingredients for the ice cream into a blender or food processor. For 2 servings, we need 2 frozen bananas, and the espresso, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The great thing about ice cream is that you can make all kinds of yummy flavors. You can make chocolate just by adding cacao powder, or peanut butter and make a peanut butter flavor, for example. And now we just blend until creamy. And again, we're gonna blend in short bursts and stop and scrape down the sides if needed. The ready ice cream should look like this. This ice cream is super creamy and yummy. The riper the bananas are that you're using, the sweeter the ice cream will be, but I think you'll get the best flavor and consistency when you use those perfect yellow bananas that don't have any spots on them yet. Because if you use very ripe bananas, you'll get a super soft consistency, and then you can only taste the banana, but this way you also taste the coffee. This is such a yummy dessert. If you don't like coffee, I would try out the chocolate ice cream. So for that, you would also need 2 frozen bananas and then 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao powder, and you could also add a little bit of vanilla extract. And lastly, we're gonna make raspberry frozen yogurt. For 3 servings, we need 3 cups of frozen raspberries and 1/2 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt and 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup for sweetness. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we blend again in short bursts and stop and scrape down the sides if needed. The ready frozen yogurt should look like this. This raspberry frozen yogurt is so creamy and refreshing. I'll add the written recipes to the description box as always. For more healthy and easy recipes, check out my recipe ebooks that have 265 recipes. I'll add the link down below. Let me know in the comments what kind of recipe videos you want to see next. See you guys next week. Bye!